Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Prerna and you're all watching Crimson Crafts. So in today's video I'm going to show you two very easy Diwali decor ideas you can simply make at home and decorate your house. So usually in Diwali, whatever we decorate, we tend to not use it in the next Diwali festival. So here I have used minimal craft products and I have tried to make use of waste products. So right now you must be getting many cardboard boxes as gifts. So pick out one and make all these DIYs right away. So let's get started. So for the first Diwali decor idea, I'm simply going to take cardboard pieces. So it is 9.5 inches into 9.5 inches. I have covered it with the white sheets. So these are the drawing sheets so that our painting will be smooth. I have drawn a pencil rough sketch. Basically here I am making Varli art. So these look similar to the shape of coasters. You may as well use it as coasters by applying a coat of resin on top. So right now I am painting it. I am painting the borders using light green color. I am making some designs as well. So you may do all these things using a 0 number brush. Here I have used cartridge sheet. All the products of all the craft materials used in the video will be there in the description box. So by chance if you don't have any product, you may surely check it out there. So guys, this is how it looks after completing. Now I am going to do the outlining portion. Any Indian art doesn't look that much good without outlining. So here you can also use a black pen, but I prefer doing it with paint because all the rest of the things I have done it with paint. I have used light yellow, lemon yellow as background, and I have used all acrylic colors here. Acrylic colors are bright and easy to use. These are Fevicryl acrylic colors that I have used all throughout the project. So like this, I have done the outlining also with a thin brush. Now I will begin with the second coaster. So first of all, I am making 4 of them. 2 of them are male ones and 2 of them are female ones. Because I felt the background was empty, I used some dotting tools to complete it. Also I have painted the edges black. I had pasted some white strips so that the edges of the cardboard look neat. And this is how all of them look. Isn't it so easy as well as charming? You may stick it on your entrance door or maybe on your window or something like that and decorate it easily. So in order to stick it, you may use squash tape or washi tape like this. Here I am using two-way tape. You may simply remove its peel and stick it. I am sticking all the 4 pieces in the same manner. Well, I have decorated by putting a swastik in the center. You easily get swastik stickers in market. Moving on to our next DIY. For this, you may also use a MDF board, but as I said, I am planning to use minimal craft products. So here I have taken a cardboard piece and covered it with cartridge sheet. So you may easily take out the diameter. Well, I have used 11 centimeter diameter here. You may put some slits and stick it at the backer end. And this is how I have done the designing part. First I have done pencil designing and now I am painting it. I have painted the center portion with red color, and also here I have used acrylic colors. You may also use buckram fabric if you wish. It would be similar to the canvas fabric that we use. To make this, I simply took a circle with the diameter of 13 centimeter, put some slits on all sides and stuck it behind. So like this I could get a very nice board. It is also hard and thick. So guys, this is how it looks after completing the design. I have put an outline using black acrylic color. You may use a 0 number brush or a 00 brush to do all this. You may also use a 3D cone outliner, glass outliner or pearl outliner. Even that would look good. So here I have used all the festive colors like red, peach, baby pink. So the color combination is just up to you, but because it is festive time, so I prefer using warm colors. Now with the help of dotting tools, I am going to start enhancing the art piece more. If you want, you may leave it like this also. You may stick a mirror in the center. Even that would look very nice. But here I am planning to do a different design. Now using a smaller dotting tool than the previous one, I am going to do the dotting part in the first row. Something like this. Now I am using yellow acrylic color to do the dotting part. Now I am using red color to do it in the white part. Red and white are two colors that contrast very well. Now I am using Shilpkar molded to do the molding part. Here you get two parts, that is resin and hardener. You have to mix equal quantities of both of them to make the dough. Make sure it is cut white before you start. It will take 1.5 hours to let it dry. Here I am making Ganesh. Something like this. I will put the legs, the hands and the face. With the help of a safety pin, precision knife or something like that, you may put 3 marks on the face. So this is how it looks at the end. It is really beautiful. I have also done the second round of red dotting tool on top of all the white ones, and also white on top of all the red ones. I have put the Ganesh with yellow golden color. after it has dried completely. Do wait for it to get dried. It looks really beautiful. You may again take squash tape or double-sided tape to stick it.
So that's all for today, guys. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.